Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make a game pass. So what you want to do is basically go to create first. Once you're inside create, over here this is a game that I just published so that I could make this battle pass or game pass. And then you want to head over to passes. And once you head over to passes over here, as you can see, I already made one because I had to experiment if it works or not. And then select from public experience. That's the only map I have, right? So that is what it's going to be selected in. And now I'm going to select name, which is going to be please help. And we're not going to put a description in. Now I'm going to choose a picture. So alright, so I selected a picture, and now if I select on preview, it's going to show us a preview. Okay, it's not gonna show us anything. Now what we want to do is just verify the upload, and now that's done. And now we got please help, right? So what you want to do is press on the gear icon and then go to configure. Once you go to configure sales, we just want to turn on sales, and then put this as maybe 40 Robux, or you know what, let's just put it as 100, and then we just want to put it on save. And then I'm just gonna show you guys that it works, so I'm just gonna go to please donate once again, and then I'll see you guys on the inside the game. Now guys, as you can see, I just hopped in the game, and as soon as I hopped in the game, as you can see, there's the 2 battle passes that I had just made. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.